Here I have 2025 Mazda 3 and I noticed if I turn off the vehicle, the parking sign just gets activated by itself. It was not activated while the car was turned on. In case if you do not want the parking sign to be activated while the car is turned off, let me show you a trick. So what we'll do is we'll press and hold the brake pedal and start the vehicle one more time. Once the vehicle is started, you would notice on the speedometer the parking sign is activated. Now in order to release the parking switch even if the car is turned off, we come down and press and hold the brake pedal one more time. On the right side, this time we will press and hold the parking brake button. And just like that, you would notice it is blinking. And while keeping it in that position, what we will do is we will turn off the vehicle. So keeping in mind, I'm holding on to the parking brake and also holding on to the parking button. Now I will turn off the vehicle. Once the vehicle is turned off, we'll go ahead and leave that parking button. And there you would see on the speedometer, the parking sign is not activated anymore. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.